You might be asking yourself, how does cyber deception work regarding Active Directory and endpoint deception? In the next 2 minutes, we're giving a more detailed look into CyberTrap's deception technology for all cybersecurity engineers. So let's start with Active Directory deception. Let us assume that a hacker has just gained access to one of the endpoints. For example, after a phishing campaign, they will now need to better understand the network and attempt to pursue greater permissions. This is where tools like SharpHound come in handy. It is publicly available and can be executed even as a regular user. After deployment, the SharpHound contacts the Active Directory domain controller and asks for its data. This request is also sent to the CyberTrap decoy for Active Directory deception and raises an immediate alert which contains the name of the endpoint and the user that initiated SharpHound. An extended detection and response solution could now react to isolate the endpoint and lock the user account. CyberTrap fools the hacker by pretending that a user with domain admin rights is logged into the decoys. The adversary would like to take over the session of that user, and therefore logs into the decoy, taking the bait. At this point, all of the adversary's actions can be monitored. Let's now take a look at the other deception service that utilizes lures, Endpoint Deception. For example, these yellow lures announce a decoy file share via SMB that can be mounted locally. If the adversary mounts the according decoy locally, an alarm is raised immediately. And these orange ones which advertise a decoy database management system. Once the hacker logs into the DBMS, another alarm is raised. One more example are lures for remote access, providing a way to log into a different systems via RDP, or SSH, shown here in purple. And finally, you can use lures for web login pages just like Microsoft 365, SAP, FortiGate, Sophos, and many more. When a hacker tries to log in using credentials provided by the lures, it again raises an immediate alarm in the CyberTrap front end. After seeing how Active Directory and endpoint deception works, we want to remind you that CyberTrap's deception technology can evaluate attacks automatically and correlate events that at first glance appear to be unrelated. As a result, both the response time and the number of time-consuming false alarms are reduced significantly, thus decreasing the workload faced by the responsible IT security staff in the company. Are you curious to find out more about CyberTrap or cyber deception? Then take a look at our YouTube channel where we give insights into the topic. You can also visit our website at cybertrap.com or book a demo. Thank you for watching.